I'm here for another Scully Cap review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Lovespell from Rag Caps. We had Rag Caps on our Gentleman's Roundtable about a week and a half ago, and he released this hat live on our show, and apparently they sold out of a few sizes during that. It's a nice looking cap. It's a Houndstooth, purple, blue, and black. Let's give the visor a little bend. I showed this in another video. If you want a straight visor, but you want to bring the cap down around the sides of your head, one of the things you can do is you take the cap and you give it a little bend here and here, so your visor looks like that. Do you see that, how I bent it right in the corners there? That pulls in the sides of the cap to your head, and it'll give you a better fit. You see how that fits snugger to the sides of my head? Nice cap. I like this one a lot. Let's go outside and get a shot of this one in some more natural light. I'm out here wearing the Lovespell from Rag Caps. Really a nice looking cap. It's made out of a purple houndstooth with blue and black. Again, a great looking cap. I highly recommend it. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya.
All right, let's get this party started. Yeah, feel that funky beat. Come on, everybody, get up and dance. Show us your moves. All right, let's get this party started. Yeah, feel that funky beat. Come on, everybody, get up and dance. Show us your moves.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.